plants, including more put together. So it became very, very clear that we're dealing with a global crisis that's not getting better. In fact, it's getting worse because of the decline in water stock. So you put the double whammy of increased population, increased demand, decreased supplies, and the water prices going up everywhere, often as a result of privatization. You've got to
caused negative of the coronavirus. He was among several.
Renews your faith and it restores your.
The rapture will come in due time. In the tapper, somehow giving him a tutorial on how to cough.
Well, yeah. Cough with JPS.
Well, no, throughout all of these interviews, aside, they know they're doing evil things, but they think the evil will get them what they want.
Liz Slimy, she would sit with us.
Here you sit with an emergency fund, a $260,000 income, and no debt at all. Level of fear out in the culture, right?
Yeah, and we
incredible situation. So I said I've been deeply involved with the global war.
As you see, these push buttons stick some. But I'm thinking with use, they'll start working better. Well, there you have it.